Welcome. If you want to get live fluid wallpaper on your Xiaomi Mi 10T Lite, at the first you have to go for the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type fluid wallpaper. We have to get this one. Let's install. Right now we can open. And here's the first theme of this wallpaper, but we can change it of course by clicking here, then tap to set as live wallpaper, go on the right upper corner on the settings, and I'll show you my favorite theme of this wallpaper. So click to set, and as you can see, here it is. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!